Hello guys, welcome back. Let's go. In the last lesson, we have found out how to delete it. Okay, now let's go for completing our div. Here, let's cut the list and put it here in the columns names. Now, let's pull all the things and put them in a div. Let's copy that and put it here and make them higher. Okay, the list is the list. The column names score dot columns because we write data frame as scores dot columns. For x in range len column names print column names. Okay, if that's right, for x in range len columns names -1 because what? Because we don't need this one. Print column names. How we can print column names? Let's do something for x in range 1. Okay, I don't have to print this. Column names is equal to column names x plus 1. Okay, we need this and it's equal to column. Okay, it's equal to this. Why? Because we need this French. Now we have columns and write another for data. Okay, it's right. Let's data is score dot column because of score dot columns. That's right, it's French. We just say data frame everywhere we saw a score. Data frame. For y in range len data, if data y is equal to v, for here we say number. Print y list.append y. Let's run it. Okay, we didn't need this line. Let's create a cell here. We import the data, run this div, and let's use it. In the end, let's say return list. Okay, a is equal to selection data frame. For data frame we gave it a score, and for number we gave it 65. Let's run it. Oh, it's printing a lot. We forgot to delete the print, but it's good. It says it's doing right. We print it in another time. Okay, now a is equal to a is the list of the numbers. Let's see len of a 371. It didn't mean anything, but let's make it to mean anything. How to delete same things in list in Python. How to remember duplicated from a Python list using del keyword. No, it's not the answer we want. Using for loop. No, it's not the answer we want. Using set. List, new list. No, dict. This site is going to give us anything useful. Let's go to WTD schools. Copy this. We are going to use it here. My list is A. Print my list. List object is not callable. Why? What we do wrong? Okay, it's not important at all. Let's forget about it. We have a list. Now we say score dot drop list drop A, not list, sorry. Score dot drop A. Print a score. Let's see what happened. It didn't drop anything. Okay, now what we have now in this lesson is a list. No, not this list. Is a list of the rows that have the same number that have a score under 65. Now what we need is to learn how to drop this list row from our score list. Okay, let's do it in the next lesson.